In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Magnet. By the end, you'll know exactly when to turn it on, how to spot that it's active, and when it makes sense to switch it off for smoother, freehand work. Start by opening a chart in TradingView. Any market, ticker, or time frame will do. What matters is that you're looking at a live chart where you might add drawings or annotations. This sets the stage for precise work, because the magnet feature is all about helping your drawing points snap cleanly to meaningful price levels instead of landing slightly off. Now, look along the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with your drawing tools. In that toolbar, find the magnet icon. This is the toggle that controls snapping behavior. Think of it like a helper that gently pulls your anchor points to the nearest candle high, low, open, or close, so your trend lines, rays, and other drawings connect to exact prices instead of floating in between. Click the magnet icon once to enable magnet mode. When it's active, the icon will appear highlighted, so you have a clear visual cue that snapping is turned on. With magnet mode enabled, any anchor point you place will gravitate to the closest price reference on the candle you're near. This is especially helpful for aligning to wick highs and lows without zooming in or painstakingly nudging points into place. If your lines, channels, or other drawings tend to drift a pixel or two off the real price level, the magnet keeps them locked onto a precise spot, which makes your analysis cleaner and easier to read later. If you prefer free-form drawing at any moment, maybe you're sketching approximate zones, shaping a curve, or you want a looser feel, just click that same magnet icon again to turn it off. When it's off, the highlight disappears, and your cursor will move freely with no snapping. This gives you full control to place points exactly where your eye wants them, even if they aren't on a candle's exact open, high, low, or close. The key is to toggle the magnet based on your goal. Turn it on when you need exact precision anchored to real prices, and turn it off when you want smooth, organic placement. Keep an eye on the icon's highlights so you always know which mode you're in. That simple on-off habit will help you build cleaner charts faster, with fewer do-overs and a lot more confidence in your levels.